Hey everyone, here in Stittsville, Ottawa, just checking out some sirens, and this happens to be a pretty old antique one. I for sure could say this is probably never going to work again. Although, I mean, it could be 12 port rotor, I think. But yeah, this site's a bit neglected, if you will. But yeah, this is the old fire station here. Just over here is the new fire station. Sometime this went in. Anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick show video here. If you want to see like the rotor up there. I think that could potentially be seized up for sure. Yeah, that's a 12 port rotor, I think. Usually if it was an 8 port, you'd see a lot more spaced out of the ports. But yeah, I think that's pretty, looking like it might be seized pretty good. Anyway, yeah, I'll just stop in here real quick. That's it.